guys, I'm Sarah and I am going to show you the easiest banana muffins ever. These only involve one bowl. Great way to quickly just get rid of a few spotty bananas that the kids consider poisonous. So use about three big bananas or 4 little ones. I mean, it doesn't matter if you've got a bit more or less in the way of banana. My kids absolutely love nice green bananas. Once they start going yellow, they might reluctantly still eat them. As soon as a spot appears, nah, forget it. Then they're for baking. But that's fine because these actually freeze really well. So they're just something that is really, really handy. It's like banana loaf. I make banana loaf all the time as well. I've got a video on that as well. It's a bit of a bad video though. If you look up my banana loaf recipe, just bear in mind, I filmed that back in the days when we were filming on my phone and my husband Clint was my cameraman, and he'd hold it and he'd get distracted and we'd slowly start going off on angles. You know, like the old Batman TV series, they used to film the baddies on an angle? Yeah, I was like a baddie out of Batman. Actually, that kind of makes it sound cool. Now, so, just want to mush the bananas. Then we add in half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, and about 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, or the, you know, in my case, cheapy table spread. And we'll just mix those in together. Now sieve, and I'm going to put in 1½ cups of flour. I'm sometimes in the habit of not sieving things, which isn't a major, but a couple of times I didn't think and I just didn't sieve stuff and I chucked baking soda in something. You always want to sieve baking soda. Anyone who knows why will have tasted that wonderful mouthful of soapiness that you get when you have a bite of something that's accidentally got a lump of baking soda in. So we want a teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve it. And a teaspoon of baking powder. I usually buy the pan stuff, but the Edmonds was on special the other week. I'm going to try some more. Luckily I've got enough. And then we just need half a teaspoon of salt. Now the other day I actually made a batch of these. Now we're just going to stir these together, just very carefully though, just kind of fold them together until they're only just combined. You don't want to over mix this or it can end up rock hard. The other day my mum brought around some caramel sauce and I was thinking of what I could use it in. It was surplus to her requirements. I actually substituted the melted butter in some of these for that caramel sauce. They were yum. They didn't last long. Sorry Mum, you didn't get a taste. Blame Olivia. She quaffed most of them. Now, I've got the oven preheating at 170 degrees Celsius. Just going to grab a muffin tin. You can use muffin cups if you want. You can use baking paper just to line it. I just like to put a bit of oil in there. Just good old budget canola oil. Dump a bit in the first one. Smush it around all of them. And of course you can add stuff to these if you want to, you know, if you want to put some chocolate chippies or whatever in, or, you know, walnuts or whatever. Go crazy. Or don't. And just going to put spoonfuls of that into here. Now, I'd like to claim this makes 12, but for some reason it makes 11. I always grease all 12 muffin cups, I don't know why, because I always just get 11. I'd rather have 11 decent sized muffins than 12 slightly smaller ones though, you know. So we're going to put these in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So just check after 20 minutes, just touch them lightly if they, if they feel like they're baked on the inside and they spring back, or you can put a skewer in if you want. If it comes out clean, then cool, take them out and just leave them on the bench to cool. So I'll put them in for 20 minutes and I'll show you what they come out like. Go. Look at those. Yummy. So, just gonna sit them on the bench to cool for a bit, and then the kids will come home and attack them and we'll give you a review. I am ready for the muffins to go to their natural prey, their natural enemies.
That was it, Ashley.
What do we reckon?
What did you put in them?
What did I put in them? Banana.
Amazing.
Did I do good? Yay!
Amazing.
So anyway, they're gonna like it regardless because it's a muffin. But that is just yummy. It is nice and spongy and moist, slightly brown on the outside, smushy on the inside. Yum! It's just a nice simple banana flavour. No reason you can't like add a bit of cinnamon or ginger or whatever, or add chocolate chippies, as I say, whatever. Mix it, but that is just a really nice, simple banana muffin. Really yummy, really banana-y. Give it a go, people. Hit like, leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.